Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by stopping the flow so you can work safely. Shut off the main, then open a low faucet to drain pressure. This prevents surprises. Put on gloves and eye protection, and position a bucket and rags under the leak to capture water. Next, you must expose solid metal, use a wire brush and acetone or solvent to remove rust, old sealant, and scale. This ensures any patch or sleeve bonds to a clean surface and lasts. Once the pipe is clean, decide between epoxy putty for small cracks or a repair clamp for larger holes. If using epoxy, mix to a uniform color, then press it firmly into the defect, spreading past the damaged area by 1 to 2 inches so it bonds well. If you pick a clamp, center the rubber gasket, position the metal band, and tighten bolts evenly. Make sure you tighten in stages to compress the gasket without cracking the cast iron. Let the repair cure exactly as the product specifies. Rushing it reduces strength. After the recommended wait, slowly open the shutoff to reintroduce water. Watch the repaired spot for any seepage and check joints and bolt torque. If you see continued leaking, first re-clean the area and try red-tightening the clamp or reapplying epoxy. If that fails, the cast iron may be too compromised. You will need to cut out and replace the section or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.